फर्स्ट मेन फोर्थ वन, x by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equal to -1 and x minus y by 3 is 3. Let us start this. So we are solving by substitution method. Yeah, we are solving by substitution method. Let us take this side. X is equal to 3 plus 3 by y by 3. Therefore x is equal to, nothing is there means 1. 3. 3 3s are 9. 1 into y. I got x is equal to 9 plus y by 3. X is equal to 9 plus y by 3. ब्रैकेट इज हाफ. ब्रैकेट डाल के हाफ डाल देना क्योंकि 2 नीचे है. प्लस 2y by 3 is -1. Okay, let us solve this. 9 1s are 9, 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6 plus 9 by 6 plus 2y by 3 is -1. Let me check once the number is correct. मतलब x minus y by 3 is equal to 3 and x plus 2 by 2y. correct है. ये इधर गया, y by 3 आया. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus y by 3. 9 plus y by 3. 9 1s are 9. 3 2s are 6. I just separated the denominator. I just separated them and I wrote differently. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 9 plus y अलग अलग लिखा और कुछ भी नहीं. 2y plus 2y by 3. Now 1s are 2s are 3s are and this will go here. Okay, let us take the LCM. 6 and 3 LCM is 6. 6 divided by 6 1. 6 divided by 3 2. So y plus 4y minus 1 minus 3 by 2. 3 by 2 comes this side, minus 3 by 2. Correct? Till here okay? Sir, elimination method है. Okay, fine. I will solve by substitution, then I will solve by elimination. It's okay now. जाने दो. मैंने देखा नहीं. It is okay. I will solve by substitution and elimination also I will solve. I will solve by both. It's okay. Anyways, question told that solve by elimination and verify by substitution. I repeat. Question said that solve by elimination and verify by substitution. So we are doing that. It's okay. Bacha. It's okay now. 9 1s are 9. 2 4. 5y by 6 is minus. Take LCM here. 2 by 1 is 2. 2 1s are 2. 1 1s are 3. So you get minus 5 by 2. 2 1s are 2. 1 3s are 3. Minus 5 by 6. 1s are. So y by 6 is minus 1 by 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are 3 will go here. Therefore y is equal to minus 3. Now put that y का value here and solve it in x. 9 plus 9 minus 3 है. minus 3. y को put minus 3 by 3. 9 minus 3 6 by 3. 3 1s are 3 2s are. So x is equal to 2. Great. Done. I got x and y. Now let us solve by elimination method. For that I will have to rub the board. I solved by substitution. Now I will solve by elimination. It's okay. Now I am checking everybody's. I am seeing everybody. Otherwise I'll throw out. Copied everyone? चलो, shall I wait or continue? May I rub the board and I solve? Should I solve by elimination method? Okay. Okay. Let us continue. Let us continue. I will solve the same problem by elimination method now. This was substitution. I will solve the same problem by elimination method now. Chalo, let us see. So, see here, here it is x minus y by 3. Let me see the number. X minus y by 3 is equal to 3. Now, I want to make y same. I repeat, I want to make y same. So, I will multiply this by 1, I will multiply this by 2. So that y will become same. X by 2 plus 2y by 3 is minus 1. 2 into x, 2x. 2 into y minus 2y by 3. 3 2s are 6. Just strike off. Why? Plus minus gone. So what is left? 6 में से 1 gone, 5 is left. 6 में से 1 gone, 5 is left. And 2x and x by 2. 2x plus x by 2. Nothing is there means 1. Feeling bhavana is important. Nothing is there bole to 1. Now let us solve this. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4x into x is equal to 5 by 5. Bas. Is equal to 5. 4x plus x, 5x. 5x by 2 is 5. 5 5 cut. X by 2 is 1. 2 goes here. X is equal to 2. We got the answer. Okay. If x is 2, what about y? You can substitute that value and find y. If x is 2, you substitute and you find value of y. You can do on your own. Did we get the same answer as in the previous class also? Sorry, in the substitution method also, did we get the same answer? Copy and solve for y. Copy and solve for y. I'll just have a look. X is 2, y is 3. I hope everyone verified. Understand and copy. Don't copy to copy. Y is minus 3. Correct. Y is minus 3. Okay. Chalo. I'm rubbing the board. Done. Yes. Let us go with question number 4. Let us go with question number 4. Sorry, 4 is done. Second Roman number. Let us go with second Roman number. Second Roman number. Chalo. What it is? From the pair of linear equation, find the problem and their solution if they exist by elimination method. By elimination method, we are supposed to solve. First one. First one. Please remember, we have done the previous problems also, and we clearly saw that whenever there is an age problem, whenever we have age problems, we have, not age, fraction problems, we have to assume the fraction. Let the fraction be x by y. Let the fraction be x by y. Chalo. If the fraction is x by y, I will tell again. If we add 1 to numerator and subtract 1 from denominator, the fraction reduces to 1. If we add 1 to numerator, case 1. If we add 1 to numerator and subtract 1 to denominator. If we add 1 to numerator and subtract 1 to denominator, we get answer as 1. We get answer as 1. क्या मजा है? इधर ले. x plus 1 is y minus 1. 1 को नंबर का फैमिली एक साइड, अल्फाबेट का फैमिली एक साइड. x minus y minus 1 and minus 1 minus 2. Correct? Minus 1 and minus 1 minus 2. Case 2, what it says? Case 2, it becomes half if we only add 1 to the denominator. Okay, if we add only 1 to the denominator, it becomes half. Cross multiply. 2 into x, 2x, y plus 1. Take this side. 2x minus y is 1. Equation number 1, equation number 2. Solve by elimination method. Let us solve by elimination method. X minus y is minus 2. 2x minus y is 1. Change the sign. Minus का plus, plus का minus, 1 का minus. Minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Minus y plus y gone. Nothing is there means 1. 1 minus 2 is minus x. Minus 1x. Minus minus gone. X is equal to 3. If x is 3, put anywhere. Put it here. 2 into 3, put it here. Minus y is 1. 6 minus y is 1. Bring 1 this side, y this side. Negative y becomes positive y. 1 goes this side, 6 minus 1, 5. So I got the fraction as, the fraction is x by y 3 by 5. Let us verify. Okay. 1 is added to x. 3 plus 1, 4. 1 is subtracted. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 by 4, 1. Verified. Next, verify 2. X is 3. Y plus 1. 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. 3 by 6, half. 3 by 6 is half. So we have done the verification. Also. Anyone has doubt in understanding? Just ask me. This is first one. Then we'll go with age problems. Then we shall go with age problems. Okay. Copy till then. I'm waiting till we go to the next problem. I'll see who all is doing what all. स्कूल वाले किधर आया? Where have they reached in maths के लिए? ओके 7 चैप्टर्स डन बोल रहे हैं. आई नो Daniel, I know that. Okay, exercise 30 3.6. Sir, done. Linear equation done. Linear equations completed. Okay. Madam did optional also. We didn't expect optional, but fine. May I rub the board? May I go with the second one? Noori ka problem. May I go Noori ka problem? Yeah. Jane, I know where I'm doing. चलो डिस्कशन कंटिन्यूस आगे. Roman number 2. Five years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as. Whenever we have age problems, assume x and assume y as the present. Let the age of Noori be x years. Noori be x years. Let the age of Sonu be y years. Now see what will happen. 5 years later, कॉमन सेंस है, 5 years later सब लोग बड़े हो जाएंगे. ये भी 5 साल बड़ी होगा. So 5 years later, Noori's age will be, कॉमन सेंस है सर, x plus 5. बड़ी होगी, 5 साल से बड़ी हो जाएगी. And Sonu's age will be y plus 5. Now let us see what they are telling. They are telling 5 years ago बोले तो पीछे जाना था. सॉरी, मैंने लेटर पढ़ा. 5 years ago था. अगो मतलब पीछे जाने का. माइनस कर. Sorry, I did not read it right. 5 years ago, Noori was thrice. Noori, x minus 5. See here. 5 years पीछे Noori was thrice. Thrice मतलब 3 times. 3 times of what? Thrice of as old as Sonu. Noori was 3 times Sonu. X minus 5, 3 into y, 3y, 5 into 3, 15. 5 into 3, 15. Solve. Take this number this side. X minus 3y. Take alphabet one side, numbers one side. Minus 15 plus 5 is minus 10. X minus 3y is minus 10. Equation number 1 done. Next, what is case 2? Case 2, that was case 1. Now we will see case 2. Please, when we are explaining, you better focus and understand. Case 2, 10 years later, 10 years later, see what will happen. 10 years later, what will happen? Just see. Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Noori पहला करते हैं, Noori's age पहला नक्की करते हैं, x plus 10. Sonu's age y plus 10. Noori's age will be twice as old as Sonu. Noori's age, Noori होगी twice, 2 times Sonu. Noori is twice Sonu. 10 plus x plus 10 to y plus 20. Solve this. We will solve this. This goes here, this goes here. X, 2y this side minus 2y. 20. 10 comes this side. 20 minus 10. 10. Equation number 2. X and x are same. X and x are same. We can solve this. X minus 3y is minus 10. X minus 2y is 10. Just change the sign. Plus ka minus. Minus ka plus. Plus ka minus. Plus minus gone. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus y. Minus 1y chal. Minus 10 minus 10 minus 20. Minus minus gone. Y is equal to 10. 20. Who is that y? Y is Sonu. So Sonu's age is 20 years. Now we will substitute that y ka value here. I will substitute y ka value here. X minus 2 into 20 is 10. X minus 2 into 20 is 40 is equal to 10. This goes here. X is 50. That is Noori's age. Noori's age is 50 years. Let us verify we are right or wrong. See here. Let us verify. नूरी को 5 साल पीछे कर, शांति से, हाँ, नूरी को 5 साल पीछे कर, 50 minus 5, 45, नूरी 45. सोनू को 5 साल पीछे कर, 20 minus 5, 15, 45, 15, 3 times. हाँ, 45, 3 times 15, correct. 3 into 15, 45, 45. Now you match this. दोनों को 10 साल बढ़ाकर तो ट्वाइस आता है क्या देख. दोनों को 10-10 साल इंक्रीज कर ट्वाइस आता है क्या देख. इट मीन्स वी आर करेक्ट. See, I told you what is the beauty of the equation. The beauty of these simultaneous linear equations are we can what? The beauty of simultaneous linear equations are we can verify every answer. We can verify every answer. Isn't it interesting? Good or bad? What is the feeling? Good or bad? What is the feeling? Easy. Okay. Done. May I go with the third problem? Everyone done? Good to see you all. I am seeing everybody. I can see everyone. Hey Batti Donkey. हाँ, चलो डिस्कशन कंटिन्यूस आगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. टेक्स्ट बुक बाजू में कंपलसरी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, द सम, ये है क्या? इधर देख, आई टेल यू वन स्टोरी, ये अलग लेवल का है. आई टेल यू वन स्टोरी हियर. ओके, सी व्हाट दे आर टेलिंग, लिसन केयरफुली व्हाट दे आर टेलिंग. दे आर टेलिंग अस देयर इज अ 2-digit नंबर. दिस इज थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी. You need to catch the logic correct. If you catch the logic correct, it will hit. So don't copy. You tell, sir, wait, I will pakka wait. I will not rub the board. But when I am explaining, please don't copy. It will make no sense. Rather than attending the class, open online Google and copy the answer. Why are you attending the class if you are not listening when we are explaining? So एक बात दिमाग में clear कर दे. Explanation time, nobody will do anything. Only you will listen to what I say. Okay, शांति से listen, tell wait, I will wait while copying. There is no problem, there is no hurry. 2 मिनट जाएगा, but concept strong बनाना है. See, there is a 2-digit number. Let the 2-digit number be xy. Let the 2-digit number be xy. The sum of the 2-digit number is 9. So x plus y is 9. I did not tell. Question wala told. Okay, sir. Now see the concept. Leave everything. See, bacha, can I write 54 को 50 into 10 plus 4 into 1? Isn't it 54? Do you agree? बचपन वाला decimal system, बचपन वाला यूनिट्स प्लेस, डेसिमल्स प्लेस, बचपन वाला. Similarly, if I write xy, can I write x into 10 and y into 1? Do you agree? xy can be written as x into 10 plus y into 1. This is bachpan wala what we did during our childhood days. Now my concept is clear. If this is clear, then it is easy. What it says, let me read the question. Also, 9 times this number, 10x. What is this? 9 times this number, 10x plus, this is multiplication. Y into 1 is y. Do you agree? 5 into 10, 50. 4 into 1, 4. 50 plus 4, 54. Bas. Instead of writing number, I am writing alphabet. 10 into x plus y into 1. So 10x plus 1y. Now they are telling 9 times the number. Repeat. 9 times the number is equal to what I am reading? Twice the number, reversing it. 9 times the number is equal to twice the number, reversing it. मतलब 10y plus x. मतलब x will become y will become x. बोल, समझ में आया? Okay. 9 times the number is 2 times reversing it. 9 into 10x is 90x. 9 into y is 9y. 2 into 20 is 20y. 2 into x is 2x. Let us take alphabet and number. Let us take everything that side. 90 में से 2 gone. 90 में से 2 gone. So I will get as 90 में से 2 gone, I will get as 88x. 9 में से 20 gone. 9 में से 20 gone minus 11y. You take this side. 9 में से 20 गया, 11y आया, is equal to 0. पट्टे का 11 कॉमन. 8x minus 1y is equal to 0. और 8x minus 1y is 0 by 11. 11 नीचे गया, 11 नीचे गया, 0 by 11 is 0. So I got 8x minus 1y is 0. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 2. That is equation number 1. Now let us do. X plus y is 9. X plus y is 9. And 8x minus y is 0. अरे वाह, plus 9 minus 9 gone. No need to change sign. X plus y is 9. 8x minus y is 9. Plus minus gone. 8 plus 1, 9x is 9. 9, 9 cut. X is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. अगर x is 1, what is y? अरे orally हो जाएगा. अगर x is 1, y is 1 will go that side. 1 will go that side. 9 minus 1 is 8. So y is 8. Oh ho ho ho. Therefore, the two-digit number is xy, that is 18. X is 1, y is 18. Let us verify. 9 times 18. 9 times 18 is twice the reverse. 2 times reverse. 18 का reverse is 81. 18 का reverse is 81. Is it right or wrong? Is LHS and RHS equal? Once again I am repeating slowly. 9 times the number is 2 times reverse of 18 is 81. LHS and RHS should match. Then only we are right. Okay. Copy. I'm seeing kids. After a long time seeing everybody's face. Good. Correct. Padmanabhar, correct. Angolkar, both. Chiranti Mat, correct. Okay, done. Copying or चल रहा है copying? Hazari donkey is there. Kriya is there. I don't know. Where is Kriya? Hazare. Done. Everyone is saying done. Sir, जान दे आगे. Roman number 2 का fourth one. Roman number 2 का fourth one. See, please, whenever linear equation के word problems will come, please verify. Whenever linear equation के word problems will come, please verify. Okay? चलो, discussion continues आगे. Roman number 4. Sorry, second का fourth one. पैसा निकालने का है मीना आंटी को। ओके, सी मीना wants to withdraw money from the bank. She wants to withdraw 2000 rupees. The notes, what should she want? The notes, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 200 rupees, all that. She wants 100 rupees and 50 rupees notes. And totally she has 25 notes. So we want to find out notes. Let the cost क्यों लिखा? Let the number NO dot, number मतलब NO dot. Let the number of notes, नहीं, let the number of 100 rupee and 50 rupee note. Let the number of 100 rupees and 50 rupees notes be X and Y. Totally she has 25 notes. मैंने बोला, क्वेश्चन बोला, totally she has 25 notes. X plus Y is 25 notes. Equation number 1 do. Second, 50 rupees and 100 rupees के notes. Okay, see here. 100 rupees के X notes, bracket, ध्यान से देखना, 100 rupees के X notes हैं, 50 rupees के Y notes है। मतलब क्या? 100 रुपी के 4 नोट तो 400 रुपीज, 100 रुपी के 4 नोट बोले तो 400 रुपीज, एंड 50 रुपीज के 2 नोट 100 रुपीज। सो 400 plus 100 500, like this way. I told like this way. कुछ भी हो सकता है वो। कितने नोट है 100 रुपीज के मालूम नहीं, कितने नोट है 50 रुपीज के मालूम नहीं, बट टोटल पैसा जो निकाली वो 2000 है। टोटल पैसा जो निकाली बैंक से, दैट इज 2000। वॉट एवर मनी withdrawn from the bank, that is 2000 rupees. बोलो, इक्वेशन फ्रेमिंग इज क्लियर टू यू? इक्वेशन फ्रेमिंग इज क्लियर टू यू? ओके, लेट अस गो आगे देन। लेट अस गो आगे। नाउ यू सी, यहां पे 100 है, यहां पे 1 है, यहां पे 50 है, यहां पे 1 है। सो आई वॉन्ट टू मेक बोथ सेम। आई विल मेक एक्स सेम। ओके, टू मेक एक्स सेम, यहां का 100 यहां पे मल्टीप्लाई कर। टू मेक एक्स सेम, यहां का 100 यहां पे मल्टीप्लाई कर, यहां का 1 यहां पे मल्टीप्लाई कर। ओके, 100 इंटू एक्स is 100x, 100 into y is 100y is equal to 100 into 25, 2500. 1 into anything is same. So it is 100x plus 50y is equal to 2000. Just change the sign. Plus का minus, plus का minus, plus का minus. 100 में से 50 गॉन, 50y, 2500 में से 200 गॉन, 500, 0 0 5 1 जा 5 10 जा, so y is equal to 10. Oh, what is y? 50 rupees note. So 50 rupees note 50 rupees note are 10. If 50 rupees note are 10, what about 100 rupees note? Orally you can do. 100 rupees notes are what? Dash. You understood, no? See x plus y. 15. You see, somebody is asking 15. Somebody is asking what? Let me see the chat box. Sir, we can take 50 common in equation number 2. Yes, we could have done that. But it is okay now. So 100 rupees notes are 15 because x plus y is 25. 15 plus 10 is 25. You please verify by substituting here. देख, 100 रुपीज के 15 नोट है, 100 रुपीज के 15 नोट है तो 1500 रुपया, 1500 rupees. And 50 rupees के Y notes, Y is 10. 50 into 10 is 500. 1500 plus 500 is 2000. एकदम बराबर. Done. This was fourth one. I will go with fifth one. Lending library. A lending library. I will go with fifth one. Copied. How are you finding linear equation? Easy, difficult? Easy. Okay. Okay. Roman number fifth. May I rub or you want time? May I rub or you want time? Done. Okay, fine. रोमन नंबर सेकंड का लास्ट वन, लेंडिंग लाइब्रेरी. लेंडिंग लाइब्रेरी के बाद वी आर गोइंग विथ इनफाइनाइट यूनिक. आई एम गोइंग टू टीच वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट. आफ्टर दिस आई एम गोइंग टू टीच वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट. Take it for granted that is a sure short question in my test, in your school unit test, in your final exam. It is for guaranteed. I repeat my words. After this problem of lending library I will do, I am going to discuss one of the most critical concepts. So do not lose focus. I am telling that also clearly. It is a guaranteed question for your exam. I am telling with 100% assurity. वो आना ही है, वो नहीं आएगा ऐसा हो नहीं सकता. Okay? Okay? I am going to do this after the lending library quiz. Okay. Okay. स्कूल वाला ये कॉन्सेप्ट जो मैं अभी बताऊंगा प्रॉब्लम के बाद वो पक्का है. So I am going to teach you one of the most important concept of linear equation, that is infinite many solutions, no solutions and unique solution. With example, with graph, with feel, I will give everything. Okay. चलो ये 1 mark का it will be asked for 1 mark or 2 mark. It will not be asked for 3, 4, 5 mark. 1 या 2 mark के लिए आएगा. You just need to remember मेरे ग्रैंड टेस्ट का गारंटीड क्वेश्चन ये है, यूनिट टेस्ट का भी गारंटीड है. ओके चलो लेंडिंग लाइब्रेरी सेकंड का फिफ्थ वन. अ लेंडिंग लाइब्रेरी हैज अ फिक्स्ड चार्ज फॉर 3 days. ओके देयर इज अ लाइब्रेरी. इन द लाइब्रेरी दे विल गिव यू फिक्स्ड book. They will give you books for rent. In a library they will give you books for rent. So they are telling for first 3 days cost is fixed. For first 3 days cost is fixed. So fixed cost, let the fixed cost for 3 days be x rupees. Okay. Next, let the cost for additional per day. उसके बाद per day का cost. मतलब if you take the book and go, minimum you have to pay x for 3 days. If you take more than 3 days, you need to pay extra. Let the cost for per day be, let the cost for per day be y rupees. Okay, now we will take the case. This is situation of assumption. This is assumptions. Now Sarita paid 27 rupees for 7 days. 27 rupees. तो टोटल पैसा सरिता पेड इज 27 rupees for 7 days. अगर for 7 days she is paying, X is for 3 days. X रुपये तो 3 days के लिए हो गए, तो बचे कितने दिन? X तो 3 days के लिए हो गए, तो बचे कितने दिन? How many days we are left with? We are left with 4 days. We are left with 4 days. Multiplied by cost of 1 day is 5 rupees. Multiplied by cost of 1 day is 5 rupees. So 3 days का पैसा is X and 4 days का into Y per day. 4 day into per day. It is very simple. 4 एप्पल लाया, 4 एप्पल और एक एप्पल का कॉस्ट कितना? 10 रुपीज. तो 4 एप्पल इंटू 10 रुपीज 40 रुपीज. बस 4 दिन इंटू 1 दिन का कॉस्ट, 4 दिन इंटू 1 दिन का कॉस्ट. 3 days 4 days 27. केस 1. केस 2. केस 2. केस 2. हाँ, what is case 2? Case 2 says that Sushi paid 21 rupees for 5 days. 21 rupees for 5 days. तू बना, अब तू बना 5 days का इक्वेशन तू बना. 5 days का इक्वेशन तू बना. केस 2. I am seeing everybody. X plus 2y. X plus 2y. X plus 2y. X plus 2y is 21. Equation number 2. सर लीनियर इक्वेशन चला. प्लस प्लस माइनस, प्लस का माइनस, प्लस का माइनस, प्लस माइनस गॉन. 4 में से 2 गॉन, 4 में से 2 गॉन, 2y. 27 में से 21 6. 27 में से 21 6. 1s are 3s are. Y is 3 rupees. हाँ, मतलब कॉस्ट पर डे इज 3 rupees. कॉस्ट पर डे is 3 rupees. Now we will find fixed cost. Fixed cost we shall find. X plus 2y is 21. X we don't know. 2. Y is 3 is equal to 21. Bracket डालना. 3 2s are 6 is equal to 21. 6 इधर गया. 21 में से 6 गया. So X is equal to 15 rupees. हो मतलब भाड़ा 3 दिन का भाड़ा 15 rupees. Fixed cost is 15 rupees. Now I will teach you infinite solution, single solution, the most important concept. Now I will start teaching you that. Copy. If done, tell me. I will start with the new concept.